Welcome, everyone, to today's Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here, because today we are unpacking a truly fascinating topic that has the power to completely flip your routine on its head. Intimacy should never, ever feel like a boring, predictable chore, right? Instead, it's supposed to be this exciting, constantly evolving journey of discovery for you and your partner. Today, we are analyzing an incredibly insightful text that sheds light on a highly effective, yet honestly often misunderstood, technique to spice things up. We're going to break down the psychology, the wild sensory experiences, and even the biological support systems that can help you break out of the mundane. Get ready, because we are exploring the exhilarating world of temperature play.
Okay, let's dive into this. The source material opens with this absolutely beautiful metaphor stating that foreplay is not just a passing phase or a simple word. It is an entire ocean with profound depths. I mean, think about that for a second. So often people just rush through those initial stages, treating them like a mere checklist to get out of the way. But preparation is literally vast. It encompasses everything from kissing to touching, and it sets the entire foundation for what follows. The text makes a huge point here. This extensive preparation is especially crucial for female partners, who biologically and psychologically just require a bit more time to truly get ready and comfortable. If you're only skimming the surface of this ocean, you are totally missing out on a completely different level of connection.
So how exactly do we explore those deeper waters? Let's get into Section 1, Breaking the Surface. What is temperature play?
To put it simply, temperature play is exactly what it sounds like. It's the act of deliberately using warm or cold objects to stimulate, excite, and really ready your partner during intimate moments. Now, while the clinical term temperature play might sound brand new or unfamiliar to some of you, the actual act itself is super common. You've definitely seen it depicted in movies, read about it in magazines, or watched it in a web series. It's incredibly versatile, and importantly, this isn't a one-way street. It can be uniquely and effectively performed by either partner. It's all about mutual exploration and just throwing in a little element of sensory surprise.
Now that we know what it is, let's move right into Section 2, Fire and Ice, and Contrasting Sensations. And this brilliantly illustrates the two main categories of this technique. On one side, we have the garum, or hot elements. This includes things like warm oil massages, warm water, or for couples who like to push the boundaries a bit, the dripping of warm candle wax. On the complete flip side, we have the stark contrast of the tandi, or cold elements. Here we're talking about ice cubes gliding across the skin, the sudden shock of cold water drops, or even bringing food into the mix with ice cream or cold chocolates. It is precisely this stark, undeniable sensory contrast, that sudden shift from room temperature to warm or room temperature to freezing, that literally wakes up your nerve endings and creates a totally thrilling experience.
Which brings us to a really essential question I want you to consider. How does something as basic and seemingly innocent as a warm oil massage become an absolute intimate game changer? When you hear the word massage, you might just think of a simple, non-intimate back rub after a long day, but physiologically it goes way, way deeper than that.
Let's actually break down the physical and psychological progression of a warm oil massage. Step 1 isn't just about rubbing shoulders. It involves intentionally touching highly sensitive body parts that trigger immediate physical responses. Step 2 is where that sensation builds. It's not just a passing touch. It's a deep, continuous sensory input that makes the receiving partner feel incredibly good and relaxed. But the absolute magic, that happens in Step 3. The massive benefit here is synchronization. During this process, you don't have to stop and do something separate to get yourself ready. The giver gets aroused by the act of giving, and the receiver is aroused by the sensation. Both partners become ready at the exact same time, seamlessly bridging that gap between the prep and the main event.
Now let's flip the script and look at the chilling side of the spectrum, the thandi experience. If warm oil is about a slow, synchronized build, cold is about the immediate electric shock to the senses. Running ice cubes over the skin or letting freezing droplets of water fall into sensitive areas creates this wildly intense feeling. And incorporating cold elements like ice cream or chilled chocolate not only adds temperature but also taste right into the mix. This sudden drop in temperature on the skin's surface triggers a rapid rush of blood to that area, resulting in intensely pleasurable sensations that can rapidly ready both partners. It's a surefire way to turn a mundane evening into something completely unforgettable. Of course, sometimes the body needs a little extra help to keep up with the mind. So let's look at Section 3, Overcoming Physical Hurdles and the Biological Support for Intimacy.
Let's face it, issues like low hardness, a lack of morning erections, or just general fatigue can really interrupt these exciting experiences. To combat this, the text highlights a specific biological support supplement called MR's Bold for men. Let's look at the science they present here. The first key ingredient is a patented herbal molecule called Lepeza, which is derived from mango and pomegranate extracts. Its primary benefit? Significantly improving blood flow throughout the body. The second major ingredient is Safed muesli, which is universally recognized in herbal traditions as our premier natural testosterone booster. So by naturally increasing testosterone and optimizing that blood flow, this combination aims to firmly restore erections and overall libido, giving you the physical foundation you actually need to enjoy prolonged temperature play.
Now, what's really interesting is how this internal supplement is perfectly paired with external support, specifically a massage oil called Mr. Enhance. Let's break down what's inside. First, we have L-arginine. This is an amino acid known to help repair blood vessels and ensure that once blood flow is achieved, it is actively maintained in the private parts. Then we have clove oil, or long oil. The specific benefit noted here is absolutely crucial. It reduces hypersensitivity. For individuals who might struggle with finishing a bit too quickly during intensely stimulating acts like temperature play, applying an oil that mildly desensitizes you while maintaining physical readiness is a total game changer for building endurance.
Just a quick note, for those of you interested in exploring these biological support systems, the author does provide a link in the description and a phone number to order these products, complete with a special discount code. All right, with the physical hurdles addressed, we need to steer back to the core philosophy here. Let's examine Section 4, Intimacy as a Game and Changing Your Perspective. So, a super crucial point is understanding who this is not for. There is a very direct, unambiguous warning here. Temperature play is absolutely not for couples who treat intimacy like a chore. If your mindset is that intimacy is just a quick task to finish, where you just discharge, the event is over, and you roll over and go to sleep, then this entire technique will simply not work for you. It requires patience. It requires real presence and a complete willingness to step outside your standard routine. Instead, you have to cultivate what they call the playful mindset. You must treat intimacy as a joyful, ongoing game between you and your partner. It should be viewed as a source of pure, unadulterated enjoyment, not an obligation. The couples who truly thrive are the ones always willing to try something new. It's beautifully pointed out that people pay premium prices at professional massage parlors to experience exactly this kind of sensory stimulation. So why not take those professional techniques, grab some warm oil or a piece of ice, and bring that exact same luxury right into the privacy and comfort of your own home?
Let's move to our final provocative challenge. Will you break your routine and try temperature play tonight? The text strongly urges you not to waste time merely thinking about it or saving it for some distant, perfect weekend. If you're interested, the challenge is to actively apply these techniques today. Grab an ice cube, warm up some massage oil, and completely transform your evening into a truly unique, deeply connected experience. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Now go out there and explore the depths of your own oceans.